So in the last video, I showed you guys how to move your Sidra from the Sidrachain app into your Safepal wallet. So in this video, for those of you that are asking, I'm going to show you still how to send your Sidra from your Safepal wallet back to your Sidra app or your Sidra wallet. Okay, for those of you that are asking, so you have to watch this video to the end so that I don't do mistake for any reason. Okay, so first of all, you install your Safepal wallet. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and install the Safepal wallet. All right, after installing the Safepal wallet, just open it up. All right, and then here is it. It will show you the app. Let me just show you how the app looks like. So this is how the app looks like. This is the logo. Okay, in case you are installing it from Play Store or Apple Store, this is how the logo looks like. So after installing it, you download you create the account, or if you already had a wallet like MetaMask or BitGet wallet or Trust wallet, you can also import it right here in your Safepal wallet. Okay, and then after importing it, you can see already that I have Sidra already in my wallet right here. I'm going to be sending at least 5 to my Sidra app. Okay, so in order for you to send, just navigate where the coin is, navigate there, and then go ahead and tap on send, because since you want to be sending from this wallet right here, we are going to be clicking on this section. Okay, you click on this section. All right, you click on it, and then it's going to show up this. Okay, so what you have to do now is to go and copy your Sidra wallet address from the Sidra app and come and paste here. All right, and after pasting that your Sidra wallet phrase right here, all right, your Sidra wallet address, I mean right here. Okay, you insert the amount that you want to be sending to that wallet, that Sidra wallet, and then you go ahead and click on send. Okay, now why this? Normally the amount is supposed to, the Sidra amount is supposed to be showing in USDT here, but because the Sidra hasn't been listed yet, that is why it is not showing. All right, it's only when they finally list, that is when you can see the token amount that you are sending in USD right here. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. Good. Now let's head over to our Sidra app and go and copy the Sidra phrase. All right, so here's my Sidra app. Just here's the interface. Okay, so what you do now, since you are gonna be sending to your Sidra wallet, go ahead and you click on this receive button right here. Okay, you click on that receive button, then you come here. Have you seen this address? This is the one you are gonna be copying. Okay, you can also copy your address by using the barcode, but it's always simpler using this option. So you click on it, you can see it is highlighted. Now let's go back to our Safepal wallet and then paste that address we copied from there right here, and you paste it. All right, I've pasted it. Okay, now since I pasted it, now I'm going to type the amount that I want to send to my Sidra wallet. Let's say 5. I'm going to be sending 5, and then go ahead and click on next. Okay, just wait for it to load, and while you're doing this, ensure your network is very stable. Okay, all right, it's going to load up this. Okay, now these are the informations I am sending from this wallet address right here, which is my Safepal wallet, to my Sidra wallet. So you have to ensure that if you are copying any address you are copying, you have to ensure that you copy the right address from Sidra. Okay, and then I am paying in Sidra. You can see SDA here. SDA means Sidra. All right, and then the network fee just 0.0003 SDA. Okay, then you can go ahead and click on this send button right here. Now can see that you can click on maximum. This maximum means in case you want to send all your Sidra token from this Safepal wallet to Sidra app, you can click on maximum, and then you can see now every of my token has been highlighted. But since I just want to send just 5, for the sake of this video, I'll just tap on 5 right there, okay? Then click on next. Alright, then click on send. Then insert your fingerprint. Alright, transfer is completed. You can see transfer is completed. This status here will show pending. After a while, this pending here will show successful. It means that the coin has been sent to my Sidra app or Sidra wallet. So let's go and confirm it if it has been sent. Let's confirm it has been sent, okay? So you click, you refresh your Sidra app, and then you scroll down, you can see here that it has been sent. I have 5 SDA here, it has been sent. Alright, so this is how you go about the process. If this video was helpful, kindly like and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.